Coming in at number 5 is taking a Little Havana food tour with Miami Culinary Tours. This tour perfectly blends a Cuban food experience in Little Havana while also providing a unique historic tour of the area. You'll be immersed in all things Cuban by enjoying the best Cuban sandwich you ever had, a delicious Cuban coffee, a delicious empanada, and a minty mojito. Salud. Salud. The good thing about this culinary tour is when you come down here, you're going to get to see the Domino Park that's known for Calle Ocho. It's known for Little Havana, that just people get together and play dominoes for hours on end. Coming in at number 4 is the Everglades Alligator Farm. We highly recommend the Everglades Park over any others when visiting Miami. This family-ran business will certainly give you one of the best and longest airboat rides into the Everglades. And be sure to stay for the alligator feeding. Coming in at number 3 is learning how to wake surf with Miami Wake Academy. They offer a unique experience that allows you to wake surf or wakeboard in Biscayne Bay. Their friendly staff will do their best to keep you upright and make you feel comfortable while falling. I'm here with Miami Wake Academy. They're going to teach me how to wake surf.
Firstly, a lot of people get nervous that they're not going to be able to stand up their first try. 95% of the time, people come out, they follow exactly what we say, and they're up.
Professionals always make it look so easy. Coming in at number 2 is visiting the new Time Out Market Miami. It's Miami Beach's newest food hall featuring 18 top restaurants and 3 bars, all curated from the best restaurants in and around Miami Beach. It's conveniently located in the heart of South Beach, which is 1 block south of Lincoln Road and 1 block north of Washington Avenue. You'll definitely want to visit this place more than once. God, it's so good. This is delicious. Finally, the number 1 thing to do while visiting Miami is learning how to jet surf with Jetsurf Academy.
Alright, James, let's see what you got, buddy. Jetsurf. My name is James, out here riding with my boy Ryan.
This high-octane water activity isn't for everyone, but it is a complete blast if you're interested in extreme sports like myself. Imagine racing through Biscayne Bay on your own motorized surfboard with nothing holding you back but fear itself. Well, there you have it, the top 5 things to do in Miami and Miami Beach. We hope that you found this video useful. If you like it, please hit the like button. Don't forget to check out the video's description for useful links and ways to purchase the tours you've seen in this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the real world.